Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the NatWest Reward Credit Card. If you're considering getting this card or want to understand how it works, you've come to the right place. Let's break down its key features, advantages, and disadvantages in simple terms. First, what is the NatWest Reward Credit Card all about? This card is designed for people who want to earn rewards on their spending. It's available to UK residents and offers cashback on everyday purchases. For every £1 you spend at supermarkets or on travel, you get 1% cashback. You'll also earn 0.25% cashback on all other purchases, so even your everyday expenses will pay you back in small amounts. Now, let's talk about the perks. One of the biggest selling points is that you can redeem your rewards for cashback, gift cards, or even use them towards your NatWest mortgage or personal loan, which is a great flexibility feature. Plus, if you're a NatWest customer already, managing this card through the app is seamless, allowing you to track your spending and rewards in real time. However, it's important to be aware of the costs. The card comes with a £24 annual fee, which may seem like a downside, but it can easily be covered by the cashback rewards if you use the card frequently, especially for larger purchases. You also need to be mindful of the 19.9% APR variable, so it's best to pay off your balance each month to avoid interest charges. A few downsides to keep in mind. This card isn't the best option if you're planning to carry a balance month to month, because the interest rate could offset any rewards you earn. Also, it's primarily beneficial for people who spend regularly on groceries and travel, so if your spending habits don't align, this might not be the most lucrative choice for you. Additionally, there's no introductory 0% APR offer on purchases or balance transfers, which some competitors offer. So, if you're looking to transfer existing debt, this card might not be ideal for that purpose. To summarize, the NatWest Reward Credit Card is a solid option for those who spend regularly in categories like groceries and travel and can pay off their balance monthly. You earn rewards on almost everything you buy and have several flexible redemption options. Just keep the annual fee and interest rate in mind, and make sure the cashback you earn justifies the cost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances.